Let's start by running the game. Here's what we get. First, let's try running a host. And then, this is the project folder. Let's tap on it and run it. What you see here is another instance of the same game. As this is a host, let's try running this as a client. When we move the host, you could notice that it changes and updates for the other instance. When you request position change, it does also happen. So this is one scenario where we have a client and a host. What happens is that the host is also a player that does contribute to the game. Let's stop this. Now, let's try running this rather as a server. Now, running back another instance. This time, we'll run it as a client. So what happens is that this is a server dedicated to running multiple instances. It doesn't really contribute to the game, it only shows the players, the client's motion. So when we tap on request change, it does. And in order to see what happens here, let's run another instance. And we will make it a client. Now we have two clients, this one and the other, and a dedicated server, this one. Now when we move, actually the server is able to provide orders to both players, but each one of them does have its own changes on its own. That's the server and host difference.